Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. So let's get started with the left one, and it's pretty simple, so don't worry about it. Let's now move to the right earbud, and right here the same process. Here we go. After that you need to select new ear tip size, and after that attach it. I'm going with this one, so just repeat it. Also it's pretty simple. Here we go. Now let's make it for the right earbud. Also I recommend it to clean the grill. You can use a toothbrush or cleaning tools if you have it. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!